My video is about getting rid of the pop-ups related to the site Befir.live. So this site Befir.live is totally faulty and very deceptive. It tries to mislead people and to make them scared about the condition of their computers. These pop-ups claim to be related to the well-known security program, but it's actually a mistake to trust these pop-ups. They are not associated with any decent security software. Don't trust them. Don't install anything that these pop-ups ever suggest. By the way, these pop-ups just try to make you scared about the situation with your computer and to make you download some potentially unwanted programs. Do not ever trust them. I recommend that you carefully examine the system with the help of reliable security software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and then start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.